Man, that looks sick. I'm gonna do the headlights. Turns out there's a way that you can take it. Suppose you take the headlights off without taking the entire bumper off, and taking the bumper off on these is a pain in the ass because the air ducts, or the brake ducts, are connected to the wheel arch liner. And then you don't actually have to take the wheel arch liner off. People say you do, but you don't. But you do have to take the front lip off. It's probably the easier way. You have to separate that from the bumper. So there's probably like 20 bolts.
Thankfully, it's not a BMW, so you can just take out the indicator housing, pop that out. That'll give you access to the two screws that are actually going upwards from the bottom of the headlight near the bumper bracket. You can see me reaching for them. You come in there with a long screwdriver, you'll be able to take those out, and it saves you so much time compared to taking the bumper off.
Yeah, so you've got the bolt on top, and then you've got some around the back, and then you've also got the one underneath. So I'm going to start there. With the 10. If you look at the front, you can kind of see, it'll give you a good idea as to where certain things are at. You can also start disconnecting wires as well if you want at this point. Another 10. And then you also got to take these guys off. And that's not the right way, but that one just came out that way. I meant to bring my plastic turn tools with me. But yeah, you can see these are all beat up, but that's awesome that came out that easy. That saved me a shit ton of time. Avoid stretching these. You want to avoid stabbing yourself to death as well. So we got a nice. Yeah, make sure you get the correct screwdriver. I can get nice and deep as I was about to feel it. It's wanting to slip.
I started off trying the heat gun method and found it absolutely useless. It didn't separate it at all. So I put it in the oven at 100 degrees. That wasn't enough. So I put it up to like 150. I think you just got to commit, get the glue hot enough. Then once you separate it, get a start on it. It's going to be pretty hard at the start. You can see me using a screwdriver here, and then I went to like a plastic kind of spreader. A trim tool here would be good, or something that you can get in, or a credit card, and just like really gotta act fast. It's gonna be really hot too, so wear gloves and just try and spread it and pull the glue off as quickly as you can, because that's gonna mean you're gonna have a lot less glue left for cleanup, which is honestly one of the worst parts of it all. I think this took the longest out of absolutely anything, just trying to get this as tidy as possible. You can kind of go as far as you want with this, but I just went a bit overboard and I spent a lot of time after this video cuts taking this out, but I would think it was worth it in the end.
You know that's just
Okay, the other thing I figured out last time is there's only one of these in each headlight, or in each kit. So don't use it all on one headlight, as I nearly did.
you know that's just
Oh man, you need some headphones.
You can see there's a lot of polish and wax on the car anywhere and everywhere as that happens. There's just gonna rub all that off. And I also went in, I don't know if I filmed it, I ran a kind of bead of the stretchy sealant stuff just around the edge. The only problem with running the seal around is it is a bit sticky. But yeah, they look fucking amazing. I can't wait to get them on. So bad. Put this in now while I can. Ooh, hot damn. That looks fucking sick. Probably gonna be hard to see, but it's kind of one of those. Look how good it isn't. Yeah, they look sick, and it's balls to get that one on. Once you actually, it's just easier to do it now if you can. So you just kind of want to get it in there. You want to line your holes up, and then kind of like. There you go. That looks pretty good. Really damn good. First one. Not the hardest one, but
You know I said just.